In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make this sunflower keychain, this double-sided sunflower keychain. So let's get started. You will need yarn, yellow. I am using yellow cotton yarn, brown cotton yarn, scissors, a 2.5 crochet hook, darn needles and stitch markers, a little bit of polyfill and one key ring. We will make a magic ring, and in this magic ring I am going to make a chain that will be chain 1. We will not count this as a stitch, so after chain 1 we will make 6 single crochet. This is the first one. For making a single crochet, you have to insert the hook into the loop, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. This is a single crochet. I have made 2. This is 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 single crochets. Pull this yarn to close the circle. Single crochet over here. I will make a slip stitch and chain 1 again. After doing the chain 1, in the next stitch I am going to make an increase. So to make an increase, what you have to do is, in each of these stitches you will make 2 single crochets. So this is the first stitch. I will make 1, 2 stitches. That will be an increase. In the next one we will do the same. Make 2 stitches, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and this is 12. I made 12 single crochets over here. Now next we will do a slip stitch over here. In the next stitch we will do a slip stitch. Chain 1 again. We have completed 2 rounds. For the third round we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So this is 1 single crochet, 1 increase. So that is 2 and 3. This is 4. Keep repeating the same thing. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So this is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. And this is 9. 10. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. At the end of round 3 we will have 18 stitches. So let's make a slip stitch in the first stitch of this round, round 3. Again we will make a chain 1, and for the fourth round we will be doing 2 single crochets and then an increase. So let's do that. 1, 2 single crochets, then an increase. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 23 and 24. We are done with round 4. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch of round 4. For round 5 we will be making chain 1 and we will be making 3 single crochets and then an increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5. Let's keep repeating till we complete this round. 29 and 30. So we have completed round 5. Let's make a slip stitch in the first stitch, and this will be the 6th round and the last round. So chain 1 and we will do 4 single crochets and then an increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 we have done in the same stitch. So 4 single crochets and 2 stitches in the same stitch. See, these are 6, 34, 35 and 36. So these are 36 single crochets and this is the 6th and the last round. So we will make a slip stitch in the next stitch, that is the first stitch of this round, and what we will do is we will pull the yarn. So we have to make 2 of these, remember. So in one of them I'll pull the yarn longer so that I can stitch both of them together. That I'll be showing you when I assemble both the pieces together. So cut this. Now this is how it will look. Now pull the center yarn, and if you want you can tie a knot. I prefer tying a knot here. And then what I do is I'll cut the unwanted yarn. So this will look something like this. Now for the petals, what we will do is we will work in the front loop only of this brown yarn. So I'll show you how to do that. So take this yellow yarn and in any of these stitches, these are two you can see stitches. This is front and this is second. So insert the yarn in front loop only. You can see how I have inserted it in the front loop. Now take the yarn and insert and pull through. See? Can you? Okay. So now we will make 8 chains. So to make a chain, you have to do is you have to yarn wrap the yarn around the hook and you have to pull it. So these are 2. Then we will make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are 8 of the chains, and then we will work in the back loop of these chains. So this is the back bump. You can see first one we will skip, in the second one we will make single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, and 7 single crochet. So I've made 7 single crochets, and this is how it will look. Now skip the next stitch, and in the stitch after that, front loop only, do a slip stitch, then do a slip stitch again in the next front loop only, and we will make 8 chains again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will work in the back loop only and make 7 single crochet. So this is 9. Now I'm done with making these structures, and we will make a slip stitch skipping one stitch, and then we will make the slip stitch here in the first stitch where I did chain 1 and then did my first ring. Now for making the first petal, I'm going to chain 1, and here there are 7 single crochets, right? So in the first one I will do 1 single crochet. In the next one we will do a half double crochet. So for doing the half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, 3 loops, pull through all. Now we will do a double crochet. So for doing a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. We will do a double crochet in the next 2 stitches as well. So pull through 2, pull through 2, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. Here are 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochets. In the next one we will do a half double again, 1 single, and so wait. Now here on the top stitch, what I'm going to do is I will insert my hook on this top stitch over here, okay, and then I'm going to make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and you can see this here we will do like insert in both these loops, and we will do a slip stitch. This is called a picot. After doing the picot, we will again do in the next stitch 1 single crochet, then a half double, 1 double, 2 double, and 3 double. Again 1 half double crochet, single crochet, and in between over here in this stitch, you can see this one, we will insert and do a slip stitch. So again we will do the same thing in the next string. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, now in the top stitch over here we will do one single crochet again, chain 1, insert in these 2 loops and slip stitch. Repeat this again, single crochet, half double, 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, half double, single, again 1 slip stitch in between. So you can see how these petals are created. Okay, so once you complete this, complete the whole strings, there will be 12 petals in the end. So one sunflower, and here is the other part. Now what we will do is that take a darn needle and take this brown thread, and we will pass it through the eye of the needle. Sorry, that is my baby babbling. Please ignore him. So here it is. Now we did all the stitches, all these petals are made in the front loop only. So what we will do is we will take them together like this, the back loops together. As you can see, this is now we will stitch the back loops together. So here you can see a back loop. Now we will stitch it like this. Okay, now stitch. You can see there's a little gap left now. We will fill the polyfill inside. Okay, so this is how it looks. And then we will stitch the whole thing up. Okay, and we will pass it through like we will pass it here, and we will cut this thread. So this is how the keychain will look in the end. You can straighten out the petals more if you want. I like them curly. And like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.